Welcome back again here in the arena in San Juan City. This is the UAAP Season 75, and Ateneo is taking on FEU. If you just joined us, Ateneo took the first set, and second set which is now underway. FEU had 8-6.
That's right, partner. And a lot of young volleyball enthusiasts in the house. Yan ang mga future volleyball players. Ano yun eh? Bata pa lang.
Very young. Valdez.
Oh, Liza Valdez drilling that one.
That was a classic approach. Her vertical lead. You gotta see this again. Yun ang textbook form. A good approach, good hit. Well,
Ganda no arc.
Ang ganda. That's true. Okay, Inglet. Ferrer sends it back to Valdez. Blocked, but coverage is there. Rojas has to chase that. Vargas, free ball for Ateneo. Oh, yeah, we can just laugh at. Sorry.
After that long rally, and Jeffrey just comes up with this one.
That's my favorite.
Look at this. Parang KJ, haba na eh.
Ang ganda na ng rally. Gusto niya pa tapusin. No, you know, for me, setters, they have so many variations of the second ball over, but by far that's my favorite. Yung kala mo yung set, biglang twist lang na yung hand niya. Well, Ateneo scoring a couple of straight points and now leads it 9-8. No substitution by Coach Ness.
Magang comes in
for Basas. Well, Gretchen Ho now serving again for Ateneo. 9 serving 8. Vargas to see. Wow!
Palma on the middle hit. Ito na yung iniintay ni Coach Ness. And finally, Palma gets one.
Well, Palma, we were talking about her earlier. She really started as a beginner. Literally, di ba? Beginner. But with Coach Ness's guidance, she is now part of the first 6.
But you could really feel that even as a newbie, si Coach Ness had so much, feeling a project na talaga si Palma and would give her playing time. Diba? Kahit dun na sa gitna, just to block.
Yeah. But to get the feel of how it is to be inside the court.
It's very lucky to have that. Hindi lahat ng players na bibigyan ng ganyang opportunity. So take it, grab it.
That's true. Well, a newbie here, Bagang. Oh!
Yes, it is.
Well, her addition actually proved to be good for FEU. They now lead 11-9. Michelle Maria Bagang. Another good serve.
Oh, and that gets the line. That's another ace.
Now, how often do you see people coming off the bench and then scoring 2 straight aces? Maybe she can realize that, hey, I have a weapon. Ferrer took
that was just an off speed, and she takes that point. An umpire on the side of FEU, is right in the middle of FEU's defense.
That's right. You know, again, we're always saying sometimes it doesn't have to be power. You just have to know where to put it, and that was the WNCAA Juniors MVP, Marge Tejada. Wow, Vargas pounds that through the Ateneo defense.
We've known Vargas to possess that power.
That's true. Well, so far, you know, this is a different FEU team from the first set. Medyo
more aggressive.
More aggressive, right.
And then now they are able to set up the ball. Why? Because they are receiving a little bit better than the first set.
That's right. And they're defending better. Ferrer. This time to Valdez in the back.
Bagang a little bit late for that ball. Nauna yung dive niya. Kulang pa siguro mga 2 pang steps.
Isang step tapos push off dive.
Pwede.
You can see that. That's exactly why people say, wag munang daday, don't kneel yet, position muna.
Oh, but Vargas once again using the blockers of Ateneo to get that point.
Yeah, but so far the defense of Ateneo has been sleeping, no? Not much blocking for Ateneo.
Palma now replaced by Abita. Ito mukhang service specialist na naman. Normally you start off ganyan when you're a rookie. You start on the service line. Ang hirap Diyan mo papakita. And also on defense too.
That's right. Tapos kung error ka, labas ka. Oh, but Rojas with a good block on Hervasio.
That's right. Leading that so well. Hervasio on the open hit. Marjorie Rojas is closing it out.
But you can see, no coverage for Ateneo. Their defense so far not working for them in this set.
Oh, combination play.
And Phil Cainglet gets that point for Ateneo. You can see this front line of Ateneo. Cainglet, Hervasio, Ho. How many times have we seen them there in that front line? Tejada. C. Eulalio.
Oh, Eulalio once again. Getting a point for FEU.
That's right. And it's that Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.